Okay, kids, we are still riding around the solar system in our magic school bus. We talked about the planets. When you look at them with your bare eyes or a telescope, they don't look very bright, whereas the sun is bright. And if you live in the tropics, you also know that it's very, very hot. So sun is mostly made up of hydrogen. If you know what that is, you probably already know the formula for H2. We typically talk about molecules. So each H has one proton, H2 has two protons. When they smash together at very, very high speeds and fuse together, they form four protons, which becomes helium. And this is the nuclear fusion process that keeps on feeding itself and keeps burning the hydrogen fuel, and sun keeps growing in brightness and in size. The surface temperatures are about 5500 degrees centigrade. That's the energy we're receiving because the sun is radiating energy in all directions, and we are lucky enough to receive all that free energy which we can trap and produce solar energy. And solar energy also is responsible for weather and climate, so also produces winds, which means the wind energy is also coming from solar energy, right? So waves in the ocean are generated by the winds, so wave energy is also related to the solar energy coming in from the sun. So this is why sun is so critical, and this is why sun is so bright, and this is why we are lucky that we are receiving the right amount of money so we can have good weather and climate and have life on Earth. And then next podcast we'll talk about Venus. How hot is Venus? It's very hot, as we will see. Is it because it's closer to the sun? We'll answer because as you get farther from the sun, the energy you receive drops off very rapidly, which means if you're closer, you get much more energy. But we will see what explains the very high temperatures of Venus in the next podcast. So listen to the podcast.